Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hearing a strange clicking noise every time you hit the gas pedal. It's a common issue, and today we're going to figure out what it could be. More often than not, that clicking sound points to a problem with your car's axle, specifically a worn-out constant velocity, or CV, joint. This usually happens when the protective boot tears, letting dirt and grime get inside. The noise will get louder and more frequent when you're turning. But what if it's not the axle? In some cases, a clicking noise during acceleration could signal a transmission problem, like low fluid or internal wear. This is less common, but more serious. The key difference is that a transmission issue often comes with other symptoms, like slipping gears or delayed engagement. So, if the clicking is your only problem, especially while turning, start by checking those CV joints. A quick inspection can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips.